좋은데
Oh.
저는 되게
What's up, every guy?
What's up, every guys?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. I am Howard.
I am Gina.
It is Tuesday, which means it is time for a new episode of Singles Inferno, Season 4. Last episode, can you please tell us what happened towards the end?
Yeah. Basically, everybody got to choose who they want to go with. We saw some people get matched up, some people didn't. Basically, 3 couples matched, right? So we have Arin and Dongho
They're
Yeah.
going for the first time. Together, that is.
together, yes.
Arin
is actually first time.
Yeah.
And then we have Jiyeon and Taehwan.
Oh.
They're also going for the first time.
Yes.
And then we have Xian and Junseok.
Oh, that one's gonna be a little
Yeah.
interesting, eh?
We were like wondering, I wonder what the real reason is that she chose him. Like if there actually is some feelings or if she wants to go with a friend.
Mm-hmm.
And then we saw on the previews.
Yeah,
We're about to
previews.
see something spicy.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments if you guys still think you believe that Xian will pick Tae or Jungsu or Junso, because it seems like there's 3 different factions right now in the comments.
Don't forget about the new guy that also picked her.
I'm not worried
But
about
she
him.
has like no idea.
Nah,
Like he's not even on her radar.
definitely not. I'm not even worried about him. An Do-hoon? Is that his name? An
I'm
Do-hoon?
not worried about him either. I'm just saying there's 4 guys that want her right now.
I don't know. I'm still on team Tae.
I think we all want Till because he's just been.
Not all of us.
Oh really?
Yeah, there's people who are advocating for her and Junso.
But there's no chemistry there. It's just a friendship.
I mean, that's what we'd like to believe, right? But who knows what could happen, right? After this trip to paradise. So, without further ado, let's get right into it.
육준서 씨입니다.
He's been waiting for this.
Why is her face like that?
이시안 씨와 매칭된 남자는 육준서 씨입니다.
Oh. They all picked her, right? Both of these
Yep.
guys?
Yep.
How must they feel?
Humbled.
Dang, Tae.
He
He looks
knew.
sad. He looks sad.
He knew. Minsol. They both didn't pick each other. Minsol and Junseok.
Yeah. She picked Tae, right? But would you be satisfied with them picking each other at the end or no?
Like, do I want it?
Would you be indifferent, or would you be like, I could see that happening, or would you be like, no?
I don't see it happening.
I'm just saying, what if?
I don't think I could comprehend it. As of right now. But we'll see how it is when they get there.
한국도행
Oh,
커플 매칭.
He's so sad.
He's gonna make the most of it.
Whatever, he's still gonna like talk to those other girls.
Yeah.
It's fine.
이게 조금 느껴지긴 하죠.
He has so many options.
태호 어떡하냐?
Oh, he's a lost
Oh,
dog.
that's a nice shirt.
Oh, he's watching them walk away.
It's okay. He knows that Xian's gonna go back to him eventually,
That's what he's
or
hoping.
come back to him.
뭐 예상했던 결과죠.
완벽하게 예상했던 결과죠.
예상하지 못하셨었잖아요.
그렇죠. 안정훈 씨 약간 예를 들어 완전 다른 머리를.
No, she's off. On
She's
that
watching
one.
something totally different.
미안해.
I'm excited for Arin though. I hope she shows some more personality.
Here she is,
She's so cute when she was getting ready.
and her.
Yeah.
Remember, Taewon is super young, inexperienced.
Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Where was the side of her before?
Yes, longboard personality,
She's
longboarder.
finally like excited.
That's crazy. I forgot about this. The cars.
너무 예쁜데?
그러니까 배경 미쳤어.
아 고마워.
뭐야?
He appreciates the little things.
Yeah. Well, I hope it goes well.
Tomo Bridge.
만날 때마다 생각나.
What if they don't make it together though? Alright, let's see how he acts around her
I
versus
know, right?
heading.
I feel like he would go for the more stable, calm. But then you never know. These guys.
기분이 좋.
I guess he's driving on sport mode. Is it awkward?
지금 그래도 절반 넘게 했잖아. 그렇지 않은데.
나좀
Wow.
How many days are there in total?
I think I remember they said like 10 days.
나도 내 마음
But I'm not 100%.
지금 어떻냐 막 물어봐.
No, in the preview she says Tae is still number 1.
그러니까 텐션이 되게 낮아졌어.
Yeah, she is very down. She seems stressed out.
She might feel bad for. Oh, she cries. Remember?
선택지가 너무 많다 보니까 예, 고민이 많이 될 거예요.
처음에는 그냥 재밌게 놀자 하고 왔다가 점점 다들 너무 괜찮으니까 더 깊게 생각하고.
That's good, I guess. She's not just breezing through and flirting with everyone, right? She's really looking at each person.
알겠습니다.
As she should. She's eating the most, huh? Out of everyone, all the girls.
As in, she's going to paradise the most, right?
Yeah.
너무 행복해.
확실해?
완전.
표정이 왜 이런데?
아니. 솔직히 오빠지. 몇 살이야?
그렇겠지. 나 96년생.
This guy's young.
That's crazy.
Should we reveal our age
He
or?
looks like he's like 90.
Wow, she's 99. That's weird.
오빠 맞네.
오늘은 진짜 탈출한 느낌이 나가지고
맞지? 진짜.
진짜 안될 줄
There is
알았거든.
no chemistry.
진심으로. 오늘 못 갈 줄 알았다고.
What if he reveals his job and she's like, oh, I'm more interested now?
나는 다른 사람들보다 너한테 표현을 상대적으로 좀 덜한 것 같아서 기대를 놓고 있었는데 내 이름이 딱 불려서 다행이면서도 너무 신기했지. 난 별로 예상한 결과는 아니었어.
I mean, they kind of discussed it before.
I know. During the dessert date, right?
얘기는 해야겠다고 생각하고 있었는데.
Just get it out of your system, you guys.
했다고 생각해 나는.
어제?
근데 왜 대답 안 했어?
뭐라고?
다음에 천국도 가고 싶은 사람. 그러면 천국도 같이 가고 싶은 사람.
They did it again. They played it again.
Why don't they show us this? You gonna drink?
맛있게.
Oof.
계속 태호 씨랑 얘기를 많이 나누면서 또 대략적으로 알고 있어.
He's a
He was
homie.
trying to be a bro.
그렇기 때문에
He's a homie. Or is he?
확실하게 알고 있기 때문에 그런 자리에서 그냥 술 게임으로 이걸 툭 내뱉고
That's pretty thoughtful.
킨 적이
Aww.
없으니까.
We liked him. He has nunchi.
He is thoughtful in that way. Yeah.
흡족해.
이런 대답 좋다.
마음에 드는 대답이야.
That was a really good answer.
경쟁자를
He
배려하는
is
거잖아.
smooth.
Only to a girl that he
나는
likes.
사실 내가 천국도 다녀온 분들한테는 내 마음을 조금 숨기고 있는 것 같긴 해. 내 마음이 계속 달라지니까 있고 뭐 있을 수 있잖아. 내가
그치.
정하기 전까지는.
Ah, she's still debating.
I understand that. You don't want to give the wrong idea in case.
얼른 뭔가 생각을 정리해서 표현하고 싶은 대로 표현하고 싶고 좋으면
근데-
좋다 하고 싶고 막 그래.
복잡해? 약간 복잡도?
생각이 많지. 그냥 생각이 많아. 초반부에는 마냥 행복하고 즐거웠었는데 무서워.
You scared?
그런 건 어차피 너가 나중에 무조건 해야만 하고 결정해야 될 일들 취해두고 그냥 천국에서 맛있는 거 먹고 우리 놀다가 그냥
He's trying to make her comfortable.
그냥 그렇게 그냥 가볍게 생각했으면 좋겠어. 그렇게 하자.
나는 오늘 하루는 오빠한테 집중할 거야.
뭔가 되게 준서 씨랑 얘기하는 게 되게 힐링이 된다. 편안해지고.
둘이 저는 약간 솔직하면 온도가 되게 비슷한 것 같아요.
What do you think about her outfit now?
I mean, it's better the one with the.
진지한 거 너무 부담스러워.
arms.
근데 이렇게 선택지가 많고 는 결국에는 혼자 살더라. 선택지가 없는 사람이 누구 하나 생기면 바로 결혼을 해요. 주변에. 시안 씨가 혼자 산 거란 얘기는 절대 아니에요. 예.
Or she's married, right?
Yeah.
인기가 많다 보니까
고민이 계속
고민이 되니까는 선택을 못
The first one she
Let's go. Let's find out more about
Dragon
her.
fruit.
별거 다 예쁘네.
He's a calculator,
What?
remember?
He's never opened a bottle of champagne before.
I mean, I've only like, 2 times, one. All right, so he's 30. She's probably like 27, 26.
I think
Younger?
oldest 26. She seems young.
먹어보자.
Yeah?
나 칼 하나만 줄래?
이건 이 칼이야?
그냥 아무 칼이나 줘.
동호 씨 저런 모습도 의외로 되게 매력 있네요.
무식한 척 안 하고.
좋은데.
나도 모르는 척 해야지 가면.
It must be so good because she's only eating
Oh,
chicken
yeah.
breast and cereal. All right, I think she's 25.
나이랑.
Should we guess
나이 한번
what her job is?
나이가 짧고.
A job?
아니 직업이 무조건 연하고
내가 봤을 때는
I'm gonna guess
25.
nurse. 25-year-old nurse.
No, not a nurse.
6 보다는 내가 봤을 때 3살 정도 어려서 23일 것 같아.
아 솔직히 말해줘. 나는 25살이야.
비슷 한 살을 거의
5-year difference between these two.
그건 아닐 것 같고.
풍파를 많이
나보다 오빠일 것 같긴 한데 나는 29.
She is astute.
1.
소문보다 기분 좋아하는 게 느껴서 한 거지.
30이야 맞아.
진짜?
Wow.
30이야.
딱 그렇게 보여?
이거 직업은 근데 엄청 옷이나 이런 거 입는 거 봤을 때랑 스스로 뭐가 어울리고 안 어울리고를 잘할 것 같아서 모델이나 촬영 일 하시는 분?
Announcer.
아 그치?
나는 광고 모델.
Of course.
Of course.
직업은 광고 모델입니다. 브랜드 광고 모델로 3년째 활동을 하고 있고
How can you not be?
So pretty.
특히 다양하게 활동을 하고 있습니다.
이거 찰칵 이거 하나 어깨선 이렇게 해가지고
나
원래
어깨선에 이렇게 써가 찰칵찰칵 하는 거 좋아해.
나의 직업을
I'm sure you can
You
figure
can
it out.
guess it.
당연히 돈 벌려면 난 뭐 집에 있는 사람인 줄 알았어?
그러니까 회사 다니는 거 맞췄네. 그러면 회사원인 건.
회계사요 회계사 공인회계사.
Don't act surprised.
전문직일 것 같기는 했어. 느낌이. 혹시 회사가 그러면은 용산 쪽이야? 나 왜냐면
아무래 이거 말하면 안 되나?
나 얼마 전에도 갔다 왔어.
Close proximity. They're already thinking about the future together.
언제가 왔어? 최근에 언제가 왔어?
늦어도 세 달에 한 번은 가.
지나가다 봤겠네.
그니까.
Plus points.
조금 멀긴 해.
그럼 나 어디 사는지도 궁금해. 어쨌든 서울에서 일을 하는 거니까.
또 뭔가 촬영일 많이 하고 이러면 노년 뭐 압구정 이쪽에 사는 거 아니야? 청담? 강남? 신사?
Listing all the rich places, huh?
나는 왕십리 쪽.
This is 왕십리.
왜? 영승리 살아?
왜 놀라?
왕십리에 살아.
Wow.
Wow. How does that happen?
All right. When's the wedding date, you guys? Just get married at this point, right?
왕십리에 살아. 나 거의 터질 때가 아니라 왕십리에서
Do they live in the same apartment building? What do you think?
I know they need to share where exactly.
같은 지하철을 타고 같은 회사로
Like Korea is small, you guys. Come on. This is...
Plot twist. They already know each other.
운명인가 이런 생각까지 좀.
Oh, fate.
동네가 같다는 게 되게
크죠.
갑자기
그러니까 이게
친밀감.
Like we go to the same gym.
동치에 빠져드는 것 같아 스스로.
계속 엇갈리 나오니까 사실 우리가 첫 번째 선택 때 그게 나는 너무 아직도 아쉬워. 너무해.
제가 청학도에 같이 가고
Oh,
싶은
yeah.
여성분은 김아린 씨입니다.
You picked tail, right? Yeah.
And he was like, next.
Get in line again.
그때가 첫 번째 나한테 약간 충격적인 이벤트였던 것 같아.
He feels bad.
근데 나는 더 이상은 사실 궁금한 사람도 없고 먼저 대화를 요청하고 싶은 사람도 없고 고민하고 생각하고 이렇게 하고 싶지 않아.
Yes.
Thank you for being so clear.
오자마자 나랑 얘기 좀 해 하려고?
아 그래?
진짜 완전 그냥 우리끼리 여기 앞에 앉아 있자라고 해서 앉아 있었는데 오더라고 정우 씨랑.
난 처음에
She's young.
준서 씨가
야 왜 거기 앉냐고.
Are they gonna show us?
Remember when he came to get
Oh, right. I know. How can you say no?
요 이야기하고 있어.
저도 같이 해도 돼요?
아 편하게 하시죠.
They're like, no,
He
please.
brought his toothbrush, remember?
네, 저 눈치가 없긴 했어.
보는 자리 좀 앉아가지고 거기서 나는 잘못 되겠구나. 오.
그때는 아 진짜 망했다. 왜 이렇게 나는 스스로가 너무 짜증도 나고 속상해서.
그러니까 진짜 엇갈린 거지. 야 근데 진짜 돌고 돌아온 거야.
너무 먼 길을 돌아왔네요.
그렇네. 기분 좋아졌어요.
Me
I know,
too.
I feel so good.
I'm very happy.
Okay, but Dongho better not go back and like get all confused by heading.
Nah, he's
Oh,
not.
yeah, he just mentioned.
한지라고 막
Nah.
막 순탄해서
He will end up with Arin, trust me.
He might get shaken a little bit, but he'll come back to Arin.
Yeah.
Oh, these two.
잘못하면 큰일 납니다.
Okay, maybe Taewon is not inexperienced.
I mean, that's what we think, right? He's so young acting.
But he's a model,
Oh my, he
right?
spilled! Oh my!
아 태연 씨랑 한잔 해야겠다.
I think he's nervous, huh? This guy cracks me up.
그래?
궁금해?
나이 먼저 들지 이거 먼저 들지.
아 그래 골라.
하나하나씩
그래.
얘기하고 그다음 나이.
그래. 나는 내 직업은 디자이너야. 근데
Ooh.
공간 디자이너.
Facial designer?
공간 디자이너로 일하고 있습니다. 브랜드 컨셉에 맞춰서 또 오브제를 디자인하는 데 있습니다.
Oh my god, I love her with glasses.
She must like IKEA, huh?
That's a cool job.
DJ이면서 전자음악을
와우.
만드는 아티스트이면서
What?
Whoa.
클럽을 운영하고 있어.
What?
He owns a club?
No way.
제 직업은 DJ입니다. 태원에서 언더그라운드 클럽.
Wow.
I did not expect this.
하우스 위주의 음악이 나오는데
We gotta go there, huh?
House music? I don't like that. Club owner. Wow, he is not young.
Did not expect that.
그거는 진짜 좀 놀랐어.
He has to be over 30.
He has to have money. I thought he was a model or something.
Yeah.
직업일 거라고 생각했어.
He had to have modeled in the past.
근데 나는 이게 사실 상상이 잘 안 돼.
그치.
뭔가 회칭이 안 나이도 궁금한데.
나이는 내가 먼저 얘기해.
It's like 18, 19.
31?
Whoa, she went high.
맞아?
Oh!
그 의외로 나.
Is he lying?
Seriously, I thought he was like 23, 24.
그런 정도로 봤어. 왜 하나?
Wow, this guy is really unpredictable.
나 나이 맞춰볼게.
The girls are all the same, right? 25, 26,
7,
27.
일곱,
6.
That's high.
여섯, 다섯. 25.
They're all
근데
25.
약간
Yeah, she does seem more mature.
그래서 좀 더 많게 생각.
난 당연히 지현 씨가 누나일 줄 알았어.
진짜로. 다현 씨한테 사과해야겠네. 진짜.
미안해요.
He is her oppa.
오늘 맥이님이랑 같이 좀 대화 많이 했잖아.
내가 맥이랑 대화를 많이 했다고?
The girl?
여자 맥이?
아까 밥 먹을 때 있잖아. 그 혜린 씨가 옆에 앉는 거야.
약간 처음 보는 패션이야 지금.
나? 그래.
Oh, he's looking cool here with the glasses.
아, 선글라스 벗으래.
They weren't even talking, were they?
조금 신경이 쓰이는 거야.
응.
That subtitle was wrong.
그래서.
응, 뭐 많이는 아니고 그때마다 날 안 쳐다보고 있더라고. 그래서 뭐 약간
I think Taiwan is loyal.
He must think she's cute, right? For being a little jealous.
Of course. He's like, oh, she really does like me.
난 통했다고 생각했는데.
Wait, why does he actually look 31 now?
What does that mean?
I believe it.
어디든지 다 괜찮은 것 같아요. 여기 와봤어? 아이스.
나 여기 한 번 와봤어.
Wow, they're at Lotte World.
Wow, they're actually doing something. Not just staying at the hotel.
Yeah, this is new, right? We just
Unless they're staying at this.
we just did this recently and we freaking failed so hard. Hey, please, Taiwan, don't fall or something, please.
Okay, well, he's showing her how to do this, so he must be good.
Okay.
트리플 악셀도 아니,
Please be
몸에
good.
신경은 없어 보이긴 하는데.
If he wasn't good, he wouldn't say, let's do this, right? Guy wants to do this so that he could hold the girl's hand.
I think you're right.
Oh, he's good. He's good. Look at him.
He's more athletic than me. Oh, they're both good.
Oh, not bad.
얼음땡 하자, 얼음땡.
도망가 봐.
알겠어.
Wow.
무서워.
Hey, this is romantic.
Okay, they're kind of cute though.
Alright, hurry up and get married now.
나 끌어줘.
Just grab her hand. There we go.
Oh, he looks kind of cool.
I know. Kind of looks like Speed Skater.
She looks really happy.
I know.
Wait, they rented out the entire Lotte World for this? I'm sure they can do that, right?
Probably after hours.
I mean, they got Ferraris. I'm sure they could do this, right?
This is probably just the hotel, no?
I don't know, but they did this in Stairway to Heaven, remember?
너무나도 데이트를 본 것 같아서 기분이 좋아지는.
Yes, we are very satisfied.
진짜 너무 좋다.
Ooh.
겉옷이 없어.
가져왔나?
Just ask for Mintar's jacket.
이걸 더 오지.
괜찮아, 그냥 이렇게 하면.
Why do you not have a jacket? You had a bag to pack.
I don't think she expected to go.
Please.
완전.
꽃 좋아하냐? 별로 안 좋아할 것 같은데.
아니, 나 완전 좋아.
진짜요?
응.
Why are you not going in?
야 너는 어떤 각도가 막 더 자신 있고 그런 거 있냐?
왜 야라해?
어?
왜 야라해?
Again.
희한하라 해.
그래 시연아.
See, nobody wants to be talked to that way.
Yeah,
야가 습관이 돼가지고 미치겠다.
those are minus points for him.
난다. 생각난다. 하는다.
She's talking about Tail right now.
Come on, don't bring the mood down.
Alright, why is this so awkward? Can you guys do something? Like, is it just me?
What is with this vibe?
오빠는 돌아가면 이제 더 데이트 해보고 싶은
Yeah, no chemistry, like you said.
더 생기고 말 것도 없을 것 같아.
He's like, I like Mintar.
근데 오늘 보니까 남자다움이 느껴져. 멋있어. 오늘 안경 쓴 것도 좀 멋있었어.
Why is he so quiet?
I think he's trying to look cool.
근데 스트레이트로 찍찍을 했잖아. 그걸 물어보고.
Thank you
태호 씨와의
for asking this.
내가 태호 오빠를 생각하는 마음?
Fish it out.
Should he really ask her about that right now though?
For us.
I mean, yeah, but
솔직하게 좋아.
We did it. Did what, huh?
좋은데
oh,
되게 오빠도 좋은 거야.
Oh,
oh,
정수 오빠가 잘해줘. 다 잘해주니까 호감이 막 생겨. 막 바뀌어.
그 가능하구나.
근데 진짜 솔직한 거야.
at least she's being honest.
okay, but what if Jungsu it was reversed and it was Jungsu saying this to the girl?
That's
한
true.
명을 좋아하는 것도 아니고.
There's a double standard, right?
But at least she's honest though. He lies to their faces. He lies and then he does this. So he's already on a bad standing.
얘도 좋고 얘도 좋고 얘도 좋고. 어떡하지?
I'm sure some people watching don't like Xian
Yeah, I'm sure.
and they just want her to pick and stop being like this, right?
Yeah, but why do you come on the show then?
매너가 좋고 다정한 느낌이 있어요. 그런 모먼트에서 조금 설렘을 많이 느꼈었어서
Nah, he's having a blast in
I just
hell
don't
right
like
now.
how he's so confident.
자기
A little
마음을
to the
진짜
point of
약간
cocky.
잔망스럽게 귀엽게
So it rubs me the wrong
표현하잖아요.
way.
뭐든지.
Now as for this guy,
This guy, it's okay because he's only doing it to one girl.
he has a clear objective.
리더십 있게 딱 이끌 수 있는 그런 오빠미. 아 진짜 모르겠어요.
진짜 저 마음 나 이해될 것 같아. 예를 들어 차은우가 나 좋다 그래. 너무
차은우?
좋지. 근데 갑자기 다음날 박보검이 좋다 그래. 그럼 박보검도 좋을 거니 그 다음날 변우석이 좋다. 정말 너무 혼란스러울 것 같아.
Freaking dead.
나눠져 있을 거야.
Yeah, of course not.
No,
같은 거죠.
there's a
그런
first
호감은
place.
있을 수
Uh-huh.
있는데 근데 저 가지고 난 지금 그래도 변우석이 제일 크거든.
I don't know who 변우석 is.
Lovely runner.
지금 같이 있으면 그 사람이 좀 좋은 거.
That's what I thought too. Whoever she's with at the time,
저세 명 중에 한 명이라면 원래
That makes
이런 얘기
sense.
듣고 뭐 그런 거면은 됐다 이런 사람도
good
있을 수
point.
있는데
I would be like that. I'd be like, okay, sure, like.
나는 그래도 더 걸어보고 싶어.
Because that's what you're here for. You still gotta try.
That's true too. I change my mind very frequently, right?
You're not gonna just leave the show.
I'd be like, peace.
댕치하고 싶은 남자의 마음도 있잖아.
But for guys, there's also that competitiveness among us. We don't want to lose. Let's go. Touch each other now.
와 진짜 기쁜데?
Because she's so short.
잡아 잡아.
Oh!
Piggyback right. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's what I'm talking about. Jump on his back. She can't swim?
그래야 모래에서
I guess she doesn't know how to swim. Hey, but anything is cute to him, right?
She can longboard, but she can't swim?
So cute!
나는 이걸 좀 뭔가 나도 이렇게 해보고
This is a
싶은데.
big pool.
그럼 나를 잡고 해봐. 발장.
Oh, she's very
힘을 주면 안 돼.
initiating.
여기에 힘을 주면 안 되고. 와. 한바닥
흘려서 알았는데요.
Yeah, this is fate that brought them together.
한번 이거 재보자. 나의 리치. 등을 대야 돼.
나팔 긴데?
리치 이거 혜리 씨랑 했던 거잖아요.
What?
Scaring me here.
Oh my gosh, she's so happy.
근데 또 가면은
He better not pick Hetty, no. After all this.
Better not break her heart.
그런 건 뭐 상관 안 해?
나는 이제 상관 안 해. 대화도 많이 할 수 있는 기회도 앞으로도 많으니까 그냥 상관없을 것 같아.
Oh, such a green flag.
He's like, I found the right one for me.
다음에 게임이면 어떻게? 그래도 자신 있어? 응. 데려가지고 그러면 파이팅해서.
Oh,
He's kind of being clear to her.
yeah.
As long as he stays this way, they'll
She
be
is so
fine.
happy.
사랑에 빠졌네요.
Pringles and a beer.
Hey, that Pringles is good though.
자취를 하니까 어쨌든.
예전에는 욕심이 있으니까 요리도 하고 이랬거든. 이제 그런 거 아예 없고.
What does he do now?
요리 잘해?
내가 웬만한 거.
They're already talking about their future.
진짜로?
나 김치도 담가.
Guys want that, right?
Oh, of course.
Dang, he said, "Are you good at cooking?" And she just said, "Yeah."
엄청난.
How can you not pick her after this?
김치를 담는다고.
She can even make kimchi, you guys. Make sure you find a girl who can make kimchi.
내가 잘하는 거 막 파김치.
Wow, that's impressive.
다음에 요리 좀 해. 파김치 좀 해줘.
밥이 드시고 싶은 거군요.
나는 나이 먹기 때문에 일단 결혼할 수 있다는 가정 열고 하기 때문에
Yes.
일단
Yes.
결혼하자.
Oh.
Wow.
She's
He
so
didn't-
happy.
He did not just say that.
It's the alcohol, you guys.
내가 담아 드릴게. 내가 준비해 드릴게.
That's a big deal. Pagimchi? Although I don't like pagimchi.
아, 뭐 그럼
Takim, she's so good.
All right, these two are for sure solidified.
되게 편안하고 금세 친해진 것
She should
같아요.
just be like, just come next to me.
동호 씨가 혜린 씨랑 있을 때는 좀 어쩔 줄 몰라 하는 것 같은데.
I think Harin is too high energy for him.
보면은 동호 씨가
I agree. He'll get thrown off, but he's gonna know in his head who's the right girl for him.
Right.
아직 엄청난 확신이 있는 것 같진 않아요. 동호 씨가.
I don't know. I think he is. Is this where she cries?
I think so. The alcohol.
They're only here for one night, right? Is it one night or 2 nights?
One night.
시아나.
This guy keeps messing up.
주의 잘 없어가지고.
난 이름 불러주는 거 좋아해.
알았어, 시아나. 야, 시아나.
아, 괜찮아, 괜찮아.
아, 괜찮아?
친구 만나면 얼마나 자주 봐?
나?
응.
일주일에 한 번
너무 적게 봐.
이상으로. 한 번.
막 보통 싸우면 어떤 걸로 많이 싸웠어?
싸우면
Probably stupid stuff.
고집이 좀 센 편이거든. 상대방의 어떤 생각이나 입장 내가 하고 싶은 대로 좀 밀어붙일 때가 있어.
I could see that.
Very honest.
잘 싸울 것 같긴 해.
근데 나는 싸움이 잘못됐다고 생각하잖아. 서로에 대해서.
What if he's like, I'm just a little bit violent?
오빠는 하고 싶은
I wish they asked, how many girlfriends have you had?
그래서
만나는 게 더 우선이지 않을까? 그 다음은 알아서 그냥 어떻게든 돼.
대화는 오빠랑 진짜 잘 통해.
Yeah, they're gonna be friends after this.
Friend zone.
너가 날 어떻게 처음에 보고 지금 보고 있는지.
Valid question.
아예 그냥 아니었어 사실. 이상하게 자꾸 이 사람만 대화를 안 해보고 궁금했지. 나가 사실 우선이었고.
Because everybody was hyping him up.
호감이 생겼다. 신기하다. 혼란스럽다. 진짜 근데 진짜 데이트하는 것 같아.
It's the most serious date.
Wait, has she not done this with the other guys?
No, she did, but she was never this serious. It was just like, you know, and like so much butterflies and flirting. But she's so like serious and calm, yes. Like remember his first date with Eugene?
진짜
Completely
훨씬
different.
잘 통한다 생각.
그리고 너가 아직까지는 생각이 좀 많아 보여.
Huh.
많지. 왜냐면 나는 신경 쓰이는 것들이 많지.
Just being honest. She's not covering it up.
지금 뭔 생각하는데?
눈이 너무 뻑뻑하다.
눈이 뻑뻑하다.
Why is this so sad?
It's just the background music. It must be very awkward right now for them.
I don't think so. I think it's very serious.
Ah, 장태호.
진짜로 진심으로 하는 말이야. 내가 선택 안 받아도 돼. 근데 그냥 진심으로 했으면 좋겠어. 좋다, 완전 좋다 이런 말은 안 되고 만약에 좀 다른 사람의 생각이 난다. 이런 식의 표현이 난 더 좋을 것 같아.
Oh, that's sad too.
네 마음을 굳이 숨기거나 아니면 잘 포장할 필요는 없는 거야. 너 생각이 너무 많아 보여.
생각이 졸려서 그래.
졸린데 좋을 수가 있어 그러면? 술을 먹으면서 나는 아니라고 생각하거든.
좋아. 그래서 혼란스러운 거야. 뭔지 알아?
그걸 얘기해줘.
계속 천국도로 다녀왔잖아. 근데 하루마다 계속 마음이 바뀌면서 분명 어제까지만 해도 별 생각 없었는데 천국도 와서 마음이 좋아진 거야. 그래서 내가 혼란을 느낀 거라고.
We are all thinking the same.
셋 중에 누가 제일 좋은데?
I thought he wasn't gonna make her talk about this stuff.
I like it though. Just be honest.
지금 태워.
대호? 이유는?
표현을 많이 해주고
The flower ring.
표현 많이 해주고.
Oh, is this why she cries? Because she feels bad for
she
him?
never made her feel confused.
생각나.
생각나. Wait, why does Junso look like he's on the verge of tears?
It's the alcohol. He's freaking sleepy right now, remember? He's weak to alcohol.
I think they're gonna be good friends after this show.
Him and her, also him and Tail are gonna be good
이렇게
friends.
하면서 여기 마음이 커져서 되게 혼란스럽다고. 그걸 얘기하고 싶은 거야.
He looks like he's gonna kiss her or something.
I think he just wants to go to bed. How is he gonna wipe her tears away though?
Thing. It must be really hard though, because you have all these emotions and like you don't know what's real because you're feeling so many different things.
Plus the alcohol.
But when you have a moment like this, don't you think they grow so close?
I don't know. I think she just feels bad for whoever she doesn't pick.
No, I think it's more she really doesn't know. I think she's just so confused.
얼마나 당황스러워.
Really? Is it just me? I feel like if I
I mean,
I
of
could
course
pick.
she feels bad. Of course she feels bad.
Is it that
But
hard
I
to
think
pick
she
a guy
doesn't know
or a
what's
girl?
she doesn't know what's the right decision because she likes this person, but she also likes this person.
But there's always one person who's in the lead.
Which is Till.
Yeah, so go for him.
Okay.
Like maybe I live life such a simple manner. Like if you like him more, go for him. If he checks off all the boxes, right?
나도 내 마음 확실하게 모르겠으니까 이러는 거야.
It's the alcohol too.
Can the cameraman go in there or something?
그냥 조금 속앓이를 했던 것 같아요. 갈팡질팡하는 제 모습을 보고 솔직히 좀 싫었고 제가 이렇게 줏대 없는 여자가 된 것 같기도 하고.
At least she knows.
At least you're honest and you admit that.
아니 뭐 머릿속이 복잡해진 상태였죠. 그때 딱 이제 준서 씨가 그걸 좀 터트려준 것 같아요.
All you gotta do is gun to your head. Who am I gonna choose? Think of it like that.
시안 씨가 또 어느 정도 이해가 되는 내 자신이 너무 혼란스러워. 혼란스럽다.
She makes it always about herself.
그래도 오빠랑 대화하면서 내 마음을 알 수 있었던 것 같아.
As in, you're not it.
나도 진짜 내 마음 가는 대로 할 거야.
Please tell me that means what I think it means.
She's going for Mr. Jang.
10일 안에? 난 절대 생각도 못했어.
그래도 너무 생각하거나 걱정하지 마. 넌 나랑 여기 한 번 더 오게 될 거야.
Oh!
That is a tail comment right there. You know when non-Koreans read the subtitles, they must think it's saying yuck.
생각보다 마음 되게 크죠.
오.
그렇네.
조금 더 시현 씨 마음이 열린 것도 있을 것 같아요.
I think 정수's out.
저는 조금 위험할 수도 있겠다라는 난 생각이 자꾸 드는 게
Mm.
저렇게 뭔가
A little bit of a yellow flag, if not red.
Yeah.
내가 만약에 나는 조금 불안하고 좀 그럴 것 같아.
근데 이게
마음 가는 대로 할 거야.
Yeah, as you should.
진짜로
대화로.
Here we go. Another potential couple.
Their chemistry was the best,
나
don't you
지금
think?
따온 거.
Oh no, I thought it was a new guy. Shoot,
되게
it's
오래전
정수.
Oh,
She was totally turned off by him.
I know, but she can't
아니,
forget
나
him.
오빠가 지금
나도 뭔가
Is he gonna be honest or not?
너무 다 잘해주고 있는 거야. 오빠 잘해주고.
This is kind of a Hajang moment when she was telling Kwani like, "You're being like this."
We need this character.
남자건 여자건 그냥 뭔가 좀 챙겨주고 싶다.
And you said girls hate this type of guy, right? If that's their man.
헷갈리잖아.
헷갈려?
다 그렇게 느끼지 않겠어.
Someone needs to tell him straight up.
I like her stare.
She looks drunk.
뭐가 그런.
She needs to set him straight.
그래서 누가
Gucci.
순이는?
Oh yes. Get that out of him so he can't beat around the bush. I'm gonna say you.
시안이.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
근데 왠지 그럴 것 같았어.
Is this Jungsu's
What about
redemption time?
Haein?
Redemption arc? Oh yeah, Haein. No, I think Haein is too young. Plus, it's the fact that Xian is with somebody else right now makes him want her more. I think that's my theory.
응원해.
나도 응원해.
Dang, they're just ending it.
솔직하고 정말 담백하네요.
네.
안 헷갈리게.
네.
이제 가자. 이제 다 들었어. 다 얘기하고.
Yo, go for the new guy now.
왜?
왜?
왜? 가서 놀자고.
왜 여기서 놀아? 둘이 놀자.
He feels bad.
가세요 이제 그만.
놀아서 뭐해?
보여.
I think he feels bad, right?
그러니까.
She said, "뭐야?"
에이,
Hey.
그러니까
할 말 없으면 가자.
난 할 말 많은데.
Oh, just cut it off. He can't let go of it
He
completely.
feels bad. I think he feels bad.
Really? Not he's trying to keep his options open?
No, I don't think he's.
좀 화가 나는 거예요. 저기서 대화할 때 대화하고 나서 저는 그래 그럼 난 이제 난 종훈만 본다. 이런
Yeah, seriously, go for him.
헷갈리겠네. 너 때문에 막 그렇게 상처받는 게 좀 유하게 말하려고 했네. 그래서 그게 헷갈렸다고 느꼈을 수도 있겠네요.
정수 씨.
What is he saying?
정수 씨.
유하게 말하는 그냥 정확하게 얘기해 주는 게 매너를 지키는 것 같아. 차라리.
뒷말이 너무 불필요했어. 잠깐만 좀 더 있자. 둘이서 더 얘기하자 이게.
I don't know. I still feel like it's because he felt a little bit bad, but he shouldn't have said that.
3차일 너무 어색하게 끝나기보다 편하게 싫어서 그런 관계 되는 게 싫으니까.
근데 우리 좀 좋은 냄새 나지 않아 그래도?
무슨 고민 있나요?
나 고민은 없고 그냥 자신감을 좀.
자신감 오케이.
이제는 뭔가 그래도 딱 뭔가 표현을 할 수
조금 많이
디프레스
좀
때는 많이 갑자기
He
확
has
오르잖아.
no idea.
You talking about Tomo?
여기야.
내일 모레 오고.
I'm sorry, Eugene.
엄청 자연스럽게 잘해. 그게 어려운 거야. 그게.
너가 하면
She
더
always-
자연스럽고 너 표정과 네 톤으로 하면
I'm not trying to hate right now. It's just an observation.
이게.
She always sounds like she's drunk.
더잘
Like she's
되는데.
slurring her words.
It's just her, you know, how
장국.
to get out of her comfort zone.
대박.
유진 씨 많이 내려놨네.
That's what I was thinking. She doesn't care
이제 조금
anymore.
인간미가 느껴. 뭔가를 벗어 던지고.
너도 용기를 내야겠다. 근데 이게 후회는 없어야지.
Yep.
큰일 났다. 내일부터 전쟁이 서막이다.
왜 자꾸 눈 마주칠 것 같은데?
Tail gets along with anybody.
뭐예요?
나 진짜 외로웠어. 왜 혼자 있어?
같이 놀아 같이.
그랬어.
같이 놀자.
그니까. 또 물. 아직도.
취한 거 아니지? 나 유지 왜 이렇게 재밌지?
나 재밌어? 나 개그 캐면 안 되는데.
둘이 얘기 좀 했어?
우리 얘기 아직 안 했지. 얘기할까?
내가 와.
안 지쳤어?
지쳤는데
그니까 지쳤으면
괜찮아. 얘기해도 돼. 나도 물
What
먹고
was
싶어.
that?
가져오자. 그럼 일단 아까 천국도 누구 뽑았는지 물어봐도 돼? 비밀로 할까? 말하지 말까?
Just say it, dude.
시안이
시안.
At least now he's starting to be honest.
보고 싶어서 확인해 보고 싶은 거지 사실. 나는 진짜 멀티가 안 돼서 그럼 다음 방법은
Same line. Okay.
그래서 오늘
Kind of justifying himself. But you know what? I'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
Me too.
He could really be telling the truth.
시안님은 그럼 어떤 매력 있어?
어떤 성격이
나랑은 다른 점 있어?
전혀 다른 것 같아. 내가 계속 챙겨주게 돼. 뭔가를 더 해주고 싶어.
근데
뭔가 다른 건지.
근데 그분도 챙겨주고 싶다?
That was bad. That was bad.
뭔 소리야?
I'm freaking
What
dead.
is this guy doing
Dude,
in
I'm-
front of another girl?
I can't watch this.
시는 감독 모르겠어.
Idai hates him, huh?
뭐가 뭔지 모르겠어.
Wow, he really doesn't know how to like speak.
그러니까 오빠가 나한테 마음이 나라는 사람 자체한테 보면 좀 다정한 스타일이고 나 헷갈리더라고 엄청.
Another one is confused.
좀 헷갈렸어.
His nickname should be the Confuser.
He is like that to everyone. That's what they all feel.
I want to know what she's reading.
추워?
Take off your jacket.
얘는 입을?
There we go.
난 근데 좀 더워.
Oh, okay. Plus 1 point, so he's at 0 now.
자면 30분만 더 잘 걸.
자.
아니 지금 살짝 멍해 사실.
자러 가자 그러면 이제.
나 아쉽잖아.
또저 멍하면 놀면 안 돼.
I don't get this guy.
안 하셔?
진짜 모르겠다 오빠.
나?
진짜 왔다 갔다 해 표현이.
Oh, this guy's digging his grave with each episode.
근데 난 헷갈리는 거 싫은데.
헷갈리지 않게 정확하게 얘기를 해줬잖아.
언제?
아니야?
짜증나.
혜리 씨 표정 봐.
You have the same expression as her.
얘기를 하고 싶어.
놀고 싶고 뭔가 더 있고
What is this
싶고
guy
한데
here to do?
그냥 뭔가 내 상태가 지금 너한테 지금 피해를 주고 있는 거 아닌가 이런 생각이 하고 있는 거야.
나는 진짜 시안 씨한테 관심이 커.
I can't with this guy, you guys. I can't.
혜리 씨한테도 물론 정확하게 얘기 전달을 해줘야
This guy is seriously delusional.
I am very curious. Leave a comment if you are actually on Team Jungsu, because I'm curious if there's anybody out there after watching this episode.
He is in his own little bubble.
That's why I feel like he feels bad. It's his defense mechanism.
Okay, you better fix that real fast, because
You think he can fix that right now? He can fix it for 33 years.
it's making him more like it really is backfiring.
그냥 저때 지어낸 말이에요.
Yeah, that's what I think. He's talking out of his
말하다가 진짜로.
저거를 또 다르게 하는 마음과 썸 타고 싶은 마음의 차이는 뭘까요?
근데 이제
That was well
모든
said.
여성분들 저렇게 얘기하는 거.
헷갈리게 한다는 거예요.
근데 이게 진짜로 되어 있나 봐요.
He's gonna watch this show and be like, oh wow, is this how I really am? And then maybe he'll fix that.
되게 잘하나 보다 진짜.
She's hot. She's
She's
heated.
mad.
난 여기서 자면 되는 거야 그러면?
아니 여기서 같이 자. 같이 자.
You can't just say that to any man. They're really sleeping together? Whoa, so nonchalant.
Maybe because she friend zoned him.
I don't think so. I think he wants this.
I mean, with the face mask on, he probably just looks like a girl, so she thinks it's fine.
No, because she offered this to
I was just kidding.
everyone, but nobody actually goes in the bed. Wait, what did he say? Double.
What is this, a king? California king? You know what? It's the alcohol.
He's making some moves.
It's the alcohol.
Whoa, he's getting close.
Looks a little scary.
She's covering her face.
He's just turning off the light. He's just turning off the light.
Okay, but is that necessary? He's just looking at the time.
안 상태에서 내가 어떤 그래서 나는 네 마음은 상관이 없어. 난 내가 하고 싶은 대로 할 거야. 나한테 확인 안 시켜줄 거야.
Dang, he really wants her.
Don't do anything. Okay.
너를 긴장하게 봐.
지금
Smiling.
It's 2:04 a.m. right now. Look at the clock. Whoa! He got closer.
What are they doing?
아는 거예요?
아는 거 아는 거 아는
Is
거죠?
he? Hell no!
지금 네 눈썹이
Nah, they just blew it up out of proportion.
He went for the kiss.
I don't think so.
He did. Why else do you pull the covers over your face?
You really think he went for a kiss right now in that environment, in that with
Why
cameras?
else would you need to pull it up over your head? There is no reason.
Because he felt shy.
Okay, so you're gonna do this and you're just gonna look at each other under the covers?
That does not look good for him.
Man gonna be a man. Boy gonna be a boy. I don't know, kind of taking advantage.
Seems a little
She's a little-
scummy to me.
She's a little drunk.
Taking advantage, right? Taking advantage of the girl with a little bit of alcohol in him. But once they wake up, he's gonna be like, what have I done?
Maybe he's just like, the only way I can pull ahead in the race right now is to do something physical.
Dude, this looks so bad. Alright, so as of right now, 2 couples are confirmed. Arin and Dongho.
Never say never.
I don't think I did. When did I say the word never?
You don't know until the end. But
And-
that's what it looks like.
And Taewon and Jiyeon. Okay, no, those 2 are for sure.
No, Taewon and Jiyeon are for sure.
Dongho,
Arin and Dongho may have a shaking.
no. Yeah, no, I'm saying, but eventually they're gonna end up together, so they're confirmed.
They better.
Trust me.
They're so much more perfect together.
Yeah. Jungsu.
Jungsu's gonna end up with no one.
This episode really made him look even as
worse
worst as
than
possible.
the campfire, huh? At least at the campfire, it was just still early on. But now at this point, for him to be acting like this, it's like
It's a habit. It's a habit he can't fix.
I can tell a little bit that he's not trying to be that way. He just doesn't know what to do.
He's just wired that way.
He's just like, oh my god, I can't lose any of these strings. I have to hold on to all of them. And then he just doesn't know how to handle it.
And when he rejects a girl in front of her or in front of him, he does feel bad, is my theory. So he just starts saying things like trying to comfort them, like, oh no, it's okay.
I could see that.
But
see that,
obviously
but
girls hate that.
you don't need to do that, especially in this environment. Like,
Yeah, that's
so
so bad.
obviously they are like even more turned off by that.
Yeah.
So now at this point, all he has now is Xian. There's no girl that even wants him anymore. Haejin kinda did, but he obviously cut that string, right? And then Haedin, maybe, but I think he cut that as well.
I think Jungsu is still at Xian's bottom after this.
Maybe.
It's gonna be Junso and Taeo fighting for number 1, and then Jungsu's gonna be number 3. And all I gotta say is, where's the new guy, huh? Like what happened to him? It's getting edited out like
I
crazy.
know. Maybe we'll see him more in the next episode with Haejin.
He's a little shy too.
Like, come on, guys. There's other girls. It's not just Xian, okay?
Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to our patrons once again on Patreon. Thank you so much for your continued support. We truly appreciate you guys. George Ferrer, Marvelous Jang, Jaden Elliott, Tim Mason, DJ, Pokemon, Edis Mafia, Bill Karibo7, Sean 1004, SJ Sezhang, Melbear1620, Hello Hi, JD, JK2308, Coco Rai77, Adar Shreddy, John Hall, Denzel Nesmith, JJJJJJJ, Boba Bin, Ralph Fombelita, Lyadith Mackey, Jonathan Yap, Sasha Svorin, Jacqueline Garcia, Monica Daskevisiute, MC Ja, Hales, Hans, Arlen Itamar 1997, Joan Gonzalez, Octavio Diakite, Zazu Hitsugaya, Jay, Hehe, Martin Smile, Anton Hall, Dr. Sue, Sandeep Uni, KSR 28, Abraham Santiago, and the most recent, Bal Krishna Fuyar. Thank you for your support and pledge. Truly, truly. Thank you guys so much. We hope you enjoyed this reaction. Have a good day. We will see you on the next episode. Peace!